it's Sara Tan, Refinery29's beauty director, and I am here in South Korea at Glow Recipes Labs with co-founder Christine Chang, and she's going to give us a tour today.
All right, let's go in. So this is the entryway to our labs. You have sanitized lab gear in these UV machines, and we have special lab coats made for us. Lab fashionable. Official.
Where are we?
Okay, so we are in the Vat Vault. The formula will be made in all of these massive tanks.
This is so cool. They're huge, massive. So tell me how this works.
Yes, so these vats mix our formula inside and help all the actives and ingredients be evenly incorporated. And we can actually take a peek inside.
Ooh. Ooh. Oh my gosh, that looks so heavy. Wow. Okay, so this is like a giant KitchenAid.
Basically, yes. And the formula smells divine.
So good. So where are we and what are these?
So we are in the formula storage room where these huge tubs of Watermelon Glow Pore Tight Toner are waiting to be filled. Our Pore Tight Toner was a true labor of love. It balances BHA and PHA, which helps to decongest and smooth the skin, with also this bouncy hydration from cactus extract, so best of both worlds.
I've been seeing this toner all over TikTok and social media, but what skin type is it best for?
So it really works for all skin types because it's so hydrating and gentle for daily use. If you're dry, you could use it at nighttime. If you're a little more oily, you could use it day and night. Really depends on your routine. The vats of formula that we saw earlier of toner are now being filled. All of our beautiful bottles are actually 100% recyclable and made with very high content of post-consumer recycled glass as well. And this first machine, which we'll hear in a second, helps to blow out any dust or particles. And then the second machine is the one that fills it with formula.
That is so neat. So that one vat that we saw, how many bottles can that fill?
That vat actually fills around 6,000 bottles.
Wow.
It's a pretty big vat.
That's amazing.
All right, so that was so fun, and I'm excited to sit down to this Korean lunch spread, including Korean snacks. So we're gonna dive right in.
Looks so delicious. I can't
love that
wait.
you're going straight for that. Yes, yes, cheers.
Sorry. So how did you and Sara decide you wanted to start your own skincare line?
When we launched Glow Recipe, we really wanted to make skincare something fun and enjoyable and something you talked about on social, shared with friends. Because I think at the time, skincare was really perceived more as a chore.
Totally.
But we grew up with this mentality that skincare was like the best part of your day. And then when that eventually came to our own products, we saw that there was a lot of very serious brands, efficacious, but very serious. Mm-hmm. And then a lot of fun, whimsical brands, but not something that was both. And I truly believe you can bridge the two. Mm-hmm. So with Glow Recipe, it's about making each and every product really efficacious, gives you real results, but then the whole time you're really enjoying each moment you're using it.
Totally.
Thank you, Sara, and thank you, Refinery29, for coming along with us to see the behind the scenes at our labs today.
This was such a dream. It was so much fun getting to see how everything was made. Thank you for having me. Now I've been waiting to do this all day.
Woo!